Pros and cons of ready-made furniture. Dear friends, the term ready-made furniture refers to furniture that has been mass-produced in a factory. The furniture is made in conventional sizes by the makers. Various furniture showrooms and online e-commerce portals sell ready-made furniture. Synthetic materials including particleboard, MDF, medium-density fiberboard, or HDF, high-density fiberboard, are used to construct the basic framework of factory-made furniture. Externally, the furniture is completed with a 0.3 to 0.4 mm thick paper lamination and edge binding. Pros of ready-made furniture. The cost of ready-made furniture is low. It is plentiful, allowing one to select from a large choice of colors, styles, designs, and fabrics. Another advantage is that ready-made furniture is frequently available in stock, or that the creation of a new piece of furniture takes less time due to machine manufacture. The most significant advantage of purchasing this type of furniture from a showroom is the ability to inspect the measurements and workmanship of the item. Cons of ready-made furniture. The dimensions of ready-made furniture cannot be changed. The raw material parameters are beyond one's control. Another disadvantage is that the quality of the furniture cannot be assessed. If the furniture is manufactured using low-quality raw materials, it will not last long and will be susceptible to moisture damage. As a result, it's critical to choose ready-made furniture from reputable brands with a long warranty duration. Ready-made furniture is ideal for individuals who want to save money on furniture. Custom-designed furniture is highly suggested if you want high-quality furniture. Furthermore, bespoke furniture allows you to be creative and create your piece of furniture. If you're living out of a suitcase and moving frequently, though, it's best to choose ready-made furniture that's light in weight. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.